Welcome to Unit 3. It's titled Business Stakeholders, Social Responsibility, and Sustainability. So the focus will be on business stakeholders and what ethical dilemmas could affect them. Maybe you're a stakeholder in a business. You're certainly a stakeholder to Home CC. As you read this unit, make sure to pay attention to the questions at the end of the reading. Try to make sure that you can answer those before you move on. In this module, you'll need to make sure that you read Unit 3, Sections 3A, 3B, and 3C, which can be found in your bookshelf. You will need to post in Reading 3.2 discussion. Be sure to click on the ellipsis to view the rubric. You will also need to submit Unit 3 quiz and post and share in Unit 3 discussion, where you will discuss the material covered in the unit, which includes the cases and the readings. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.